Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kevin Reza Valera Andana. I am from class 11 PPLK4 and my student number is 20. So, on this occasion, I will discuss cats. Okay, let's go straight this video.
Factual report cat. Introduction. Cats, scientifically known as felis catus, are one of the most popular pets worldwide. From grateful movements to unique characteristic, cats have captivated human interest for thousands of years. In this text, we will explore some key facts about cats, including their origins, behavior, and their impact on human life. Next, uh, origin and history. Domestic cats first appeared around 9,000 years ago in the region of Asian Asia, although they were once found in the wild. Cats quickly found their place in human households due to their ability to hunt rodents and other pets. The ancient Egyptians referred cats as symbols of fertility and luck, even worshipping them as deities. Cats later spread to various parts of the world through trade and human exploration, becoming an integral part of the culture in many countries. So next, physical characteristic. Cats have unique physical characteristics that make them easily recognizable. They have flexible bodies, nimble legs, and sharp claws for hunting and defense. Cat fur can vary from short and slick to long and thick, depending on the breed. Their eyes often have striking colors and can vary, including blue, green, yellow, or even heterochromia, where each eye has a different color. So next, cat behavior. Cats are known for their unique behavior. They are highly independent creatures but often seek attention and affection from their owners. Cats are agile hunters, often catching toys or imaginary prey around the house. They also enjoy sleeping with the ability to sleep up to 16 hours a day. So, cats are naturally clean, often grooming themselves by licking their fur. So, next, relationship with humans. Cats have become an integral part of many households worldwide. They are not only considered as pets but also as loyal companions. Numerous studies have shown that owning a cat can help reduce stress and improve the emotional well being of their owners. Additionally, cats are used in animal therapy to assist individuals with mental health conditions. So next, uh, conclusion. Cats are fascinating and enchanting creatures with a long story branching across various cultures worldwide. From ancient Egypt to modern homes, cats have become an essential part of human life. With their unique behaviors and diverse personalities, cats continue to fascinate and enrich the lives of humans worldwide. So, thank you for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.